Harlequin family, and the rest of you. I'm Viper Harlequin, or you can call me Faith Harlequin. I have two names. One, which represents, obviously, my family name, but Viper, the name has been dear to me all gone through years. I used Viper a lot. It's my main priority to use Viper, but either name will do. Don't matter. Now, I'm doing this video for some odd reason. I forgot what I was going to do. I was just, usually do what I always do, talk about random shit. I'm a little upset today. My white cat, or, not my white cat, yeah, the white cat, Peppy, I usually have in one of my videos, is gone. The landlord is a douche and decided that she can't have that many cats. So, my sister's friend Missy came over. She's a deaf girl, and they decided to give Peppy away to Missy. Peppy was one of my favorite cats ever. Sorry, my voice cracked. He always stays by me and everything. Tiger don't do that anymore. She only did that when she was a kitten. I'll have to wait till. Anyway, like I was saying, I didn't want to talk about Happy, my Uncle Robbie will start to talk with me again, so I don't really like him that much. He's always, it's hard to explain him, it really is. But that cat was so dear to me. It was like one of the best. I don't know how to explain it, but he's just. Yes, he might be mean to all the cats, but deep down inside him, he has something special that me and him have a connection to. Well, like this. Like, stuck together. Now it's just pulled apart by another by a new owner. That's like giving your kid to adoption, When I'm older, I'm gonna have my cat. I'm gonna get cats. I'm gonna treat them like they are humans, because they are, and they're part of this family. They should never be put away or sent to a different family. Like, oh, we don't need you anymore. Or if we don't have any choice, I understand that. They didn't have any choice to get rid of Peppy, but still, it hurts me inside that a stupid manager would do that to this family. I liked Peppy, I'm not gonna find one like, well, I probably will, but still, he's just like very special to me. Anyway, go with that little story. I don't want to talk about it anymore, but we all have bad days. I just had mine, like I said, told you. So Actually, every day almost seems like a bad day to me. We're all beginnings at luck. But hopefully we get good luck soon, because I'll just get that house. Hopefully, I don't know. I don't want to live on the streets or anything. I don't want to worry you guys about anything. I'm done with my exams. I am. My exams are finished for now. Then we have another exams, but they're like almost at the end of the school year. School. So can't find my eyeliner anywhere, so I used eyeshadow. So basically. I mean, I guess the good news is that he won't steal from any of the cats. I still like Tiggy. I'm gonna probably work on Tiggy, see if she actually likes me. Well, not likes me, you know what I mean. But actually puppy sometimes. She does lick instead of bite, so that's a good sign. I'll just, anyway. So, that's what I wanted to talk about, so I'm glad that you guys are listening to me, hopefully. So I guess I made something in ceramics class. This thing. I have the lid to it, but it's in somewhere. Yeah. It's all awesome on the inside. And here's this little one I made too. Yeah, it's something. I don't know. I have another. There was more of them, but it's around somewhere. I don't know. That's all I have to say. So, subscribe maybe. I don't know. It's not the best video. I don't do really good videos.